Everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Syed and today we're going to talk about Missoni project. It is by Dar Al Arkan. It's a Saudi developer. They have a net portfolio of 28 billion dirham. So they are like bigger than I would say Emaar. Emaar is very big in Dubai, and they are like a level of Emaar in Saudi. So they have delivered more than 15,000 residential unit in Saudi, and this is the first project by Dar Al Arkan. It's Missoni. It's right on the business bay, right on the canal. And Missoni, it's a very famous brand, and this brand is from US, Miami. So this is the new concept, and you're gonna have a very stylish Missoni designed apartments in business bay. So this project has starting from studio, 1 bed, 2 bedroom and 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom apartments, and it is under construction. It's an off-plan project, and the handover would be 2023 Q4. So the payment plan is amazing. The layouts of this building, every building has this building has two views. One is the canal view, and the back units will have a downtown and Burj Khalifa view, downtown skyline view. So the interesting part about this project is we do have the sizes are a little small if you compare to the other projects. 1 bedroom is starting from around 650 square feet, the size of the apartment. So 2 bedroom is starting from 905 is the square feet, the size of the apartment. So we do have a bigger units in this project. So let's talk about the prices of this 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom apartments. 1 bedroom starting from 1 million dirham, and 2 bedroom starting from 1.67, and 3 bedroom starting from around 3.2 million dirham, and 4.3 million dirham. So 3 bedroom has a private elevator inside. So this is the one of a kind in business bay. Usually 3 bedroom apartment does not come with the private elevator. So if you are a fond of buying a 3 bedroom apartment in a luxury, a very good location in a luxury building, so you will have this facility of private elevator in your apartment. So let's talk about the payment plan, how the payment plan is. What you will have to only pay 10% down payment, and you have to pay 2% Dubai Land Department charges. Usually the Dubai government fee is 4%, but developer, they have an offer right now. So they are giving 2% DLD waiver. So the first payment, what you make to the developer is 10% down payment, and you pay 2% DLD. Then you will sign the booking form and you can own the property. So what is the payment plan? So the payment plan is you're gonna pay 30% during construction. So which is in 2 years, from today, you're gonna pay 30% during construction, and the handover is in 2023. You're gonna pay 10% on the handover, which is your 40%. Remaining 60% you're gonna pay in 6 years post handover payment plan. This is amazing. So you're getting a branded apartment with 6 years payment plan. This is something wow to be to realize the offers what we have in Dubai right now. And we do have a furniture package comes with this apartment. So it's not a fully furnished apartment. It's a kitchen comes with the white goods, and if you really want to have this Missoni furniture, there is a different separate furniture package comes with. If you are interested, then you can definitely ask for this furniture package. Then probably you can get the Missoni interior, like in your apartment. So this is a very, very good project right on the canal, and you just step out of the building, you will be on the canal. So it's like a 15 minutes drive to Dubai Airport, International Airport, Terminal 3. And downtown and Dubai Mall is gonna be under 5 minutes drive. It's just like you need to drive inside from the business bay inside. So it's gonna be less than 5 minutes drive to downtown Burj Khalifa and Dubai Mall. So I would highly recommend for investors and end users to buy this project and put your money, and you can definitely see the capital appreciation and in no time. Because now if you see in downtown the 2-bedroom apartment, you might not find in 1.67 in Business Bay, you might not find 1.67 million for 2 beds. So the prices are really high at the moment, and the market is picking up. So it is a very good offer. You can always drop me a message. I'm gonna put my number on the description, and at the end of the video, I'm gonna put a little video by Missoni, by Dar Al Khan, this Missoni project, so you can have a look at the interior, how well they have designed this branded apartments. So thank you for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself.